This is the 380 feed pipe timer blank assembly. But basically what happened is that my float broke off. So this tube, I need to pull this out with the pliers here. This is how the float attaches, threaded kind of into that plastic. But these things get old and brittle and they can break. And this is where it broke, right here. First thing, these two screws need to come out right here. Then this cover will come off right here. Don't lose your screws. And now you can see that that is the piece that is going to be replaced. So we'll take this hose. Got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and then that just lifts out of there. This is the part that we are replacing. Once you get the 3rd screw out of there, this will just lift up. This and O-ring is right here. Part we are replacing. And put everything back together in reverse order. Oop, just like that. There we go. I'm going to put the lid back on. And the new part is on there, so slide that back. Put this piece back on, but we got to slide it over now. Good. Net back on. Put our nut on, the hose on, and then we'll take our float and thread it on. And there we go. We are good to go. Now this thing should work a little bit better and float correctly.